Hey Wonder Hubbers, it's Nicole here with Nutrient Wonder Hub, and today we're going to do glow stick ring toss. But before we get started, I thought we could talk a little bit about what glow sticks are and how do they glow. So, as you can see here, I've got a glow stick that I haven't cracked yet. And when I crack it, it's going to start to glow. But why? Why do glow sticks glow? So, glow sticks contain something called potential energy in the form of the chemicals inside of them. So the chemicals inside of a glow stick include fluorescent dyes, so what gives it its color, and hydrogen peroxide. And when you mix these two chemicals together by cracking the glow stick, they produce new chemicals that cause the glow stick to glow. So the cool thing about glow sticks is that you can actually make them glow longer by putting them in cold, so like in your freezer or your fridge. And that's because chemical reactions will happen differently according to the temperatures around them. So for example, if I added heat to the glow stick, this glow stick would burn very, very brightly. The light given off would be very bright, but it would only glow for a short while because the heat would cause the chemical reaction to happen fast. So it would occur very quickly. But if I put the glow stick in the cold, while the glow stick might not be as bright, the light would burn for longer because the chemical reaction would happen slower. So if you have ever wanted to make a glow stick last just a little bit longer, you could put it in the freezer and it would last for longer than if you left it out in room temperature. So you can take just regular glow sticks for the ring toss, and they usually come with these little guys at the end here so you can make them into bracelets. I'm actually going to take 2 glow sticks. Ooh, this one's blue. I'm going to crack it again, creating that chemical reaction. And I'm going to combine the 2 glow sticks to make one big circle. So more like a necklace instead of a bracelet. So I'm going to take the connector, connect them together, and then I'm going to take another connector so that they're just bigger, and it'll make our ring toss a little bit easier. Because trying to get a bracelet-sized ring to go over our ring toss is probably going to make things extra difficult. So I'm going to make the rest of my ring toss. And then once it gets dark outside, I'm going to go outside and I'm going to play ring toss and you guys can watch. You won't be able to see me, but you'll be able to see these cool glow-in-the-dark rings. And we'll see how many I get on the ring toss. So I'll see you outside later on today. Alright Wonder Hubbers, thanks for joining me with our glow-in-the-dark ring toss. If you want to check out more of our content, check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and on our website, and we'll see you next time.